Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove song from Instagram post. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your Instagram and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then select the post that has your music. Now once you tap on the three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen and then tap on edit, here you can see there is no available option for removing a song from Instagram post, as once you have uploaded a photo using your music, the Instagram converts it as a video, and from there you are able to remove any part of that post or a video. So there is no available option that you can do in order to remove the song from your post. But what you can do is just simply close this or mute this speaker, and then the last option is simply by tapping the three dot icon and then tapping on delete option and tap on delete to delete your post. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.